Hi buddy, welcome back to another Musings of Anish. What you see is not a trail. I repeat, it's not a trail. This is just my way home. Oh, oops, slush. Yeah, so this is what most roads, arterial roads in our beautiful city of Bangalore looks like. I don't want everything to be tarmac. No, I love myself some dirt, but I want to at least be safe on my journey home. With roads like this, there's really no telling when you're gonna fall off your bike, or your motorbike, or your scooter. Yeah, so the reason I'm still able to do all this one-handed with the camera in my hand, it's not a big achievement, but it is kind of rare because I know how to flow, people. You gotta anticipate your obstacles, do your braking much well in advance, or don't brake at all, because to turn your bike you don't need to brake. Yep, I said it. You don't always need to brake to turn your bike. Want to know how? Sign up for the next flow riding. Details in the link. See ya.